In a sustained outreach initiative aimed at strengthening participatory governance, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Tuesday held a series of meetings with representatives of various organizations, associations, community groups and stakeholders at his official residence in Shillong, where a broad spectrum of public issues was placed before the government. During the interactions, delegations from religious institutions, cultural bodies, artists, employees associations, ASHA workers, teachers, trainees and development organizations submitted memoranda and highlighted concerns relating to welfare measures, honorarium service conditions, infrastructure gaps, educational stipends, cultural promotion and community development programs. The Chief Minister also heard representations from poultry farmers, contractors, industrial stakeholders, youth organizations and border forums with discussions focusing on employment generation, industrial expansion, labor welfare, recruitment-related matters and issues concerning border villages. Official sources said the meetings provided a platform for stakeholders to apprise the government of sector-specific challenges and developmental priorities. Sangma assured the delegations that the concerns raised would be examined by the government and reiterated its commitment to inclusive growth, responsive administration and stakeholder-driven development. The engagements form part of the state government's ongoing consultative process to ensure grassroots concerns are factored into policy making and development planning.
Sir, I am the president of the resident government contractors and supplier association. I would like to
250 plus schools that have 0 students. That's true. But yet they have 5, 6, 7, 8 teachers. So it's a very, and if I close that, then tomorrow they'll be outside the street. So we have 15,000 teachers, or 15,000 schools, 14,500. 15,000 schools we have right now. Whereas, as I said, I keep repeating, the states like Tripura have only 4,000 schools. We have 55,000 teachers. Whereas states like Tripura, again, which is much bigger in population than us, they have only 40,000 teachers. So it's a big problem around the younger people, Shillong, government site only, Bakma school of Shura, ad basis of granting aid co. Aro G. Biapo SSS school Kupa Namzachni.